Yesterday we saw simple average aggregate method. Now simple average of price relatives. Note down this guys all simple average of price relatives method. In this method guys, in the previous method, we simply take total of prices of base year and the current year and then we construct index number. We do not compare price of a particular commodity over these 2 years. Here we do so. So here we compare prices of a particular commodity for its base year as well as current year. So in this method, price of every commodity is compared for the 2 years, base year and the current year to construct the index number. Note down this guys. Percentage change in price of a commodity is called price relative. So in this method, index is constructed with relative change in prices. You will understand this with example, guys. The same example I am taking here, which we used yesterday, that is same data, example 2. So note down this much, guys, all. Himanshi, you missed yesterday's class and day before yesterday's class. Yesterday I explained you guys that prices of the current year are marked as P1 and prices of the base year, that is past year, is expressed as P0. And this is called price relative, that is price of current year divided by price of base year into 100. So what exactly this is? Percentage of price of current year on the price of base year. Percentage of price of current year on the price of base year. That is 98 divided by 72 into 100. And that is 136.11. Similarly, 170, that is this one, divided by 80 into 100. So for individual commodities, we are finding by how much price of current year of the base year. It is 212.5. Then 36 divided by 23 into 100. That is 156.52. It means price of wheat in the year 2023 is 156.52% of the price in 2013. Am I clear? Here it is 60 divided by 40 into 100. That is 150. Yeah, 150. Then 20 divided by 7 into 100. That is 285.71. So guys, have you all understood what I did here? I'm asking all.
Yes, sir.
Others, Ashutosh, Himanshi, Aryan, Priyansh, Yash. Have you understood this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now here we take sum total of price relatives, that is summation of P1 upon P0 into 100. That is 136.11 plus 212.5 plus 156.52 plus 150 plus 285.71. It is 940.84. So index of 2023 is sum total of price relatives divided by number of items or commodities. So 940.84 divided by 5, because here we have total 5 commodities, and that is 188.68, sorry, 0.16. You know that this implies that prices of each of these commodities on an average in the year 2023 have increased by 88.16% as compared to the prices of 2013. I hope you all have understood this, guys. If yes, start noting it down. We are done with simple average method. Now the next one that you have is weighted average method to construct index number. In this method, guys, apart from the value of a variable, say price, we also take weights. Weights denote either quantities of different items, which are under consideration, or importance of the items. An item with most importance is given highest weight, is given the highest weight, and an item having least importance is given the lowest weight. For example, if index of prices of 4 items viz, wheat, milk, edible oil, and diesel is to be constructed the highest weight 4, because here we have 4 items: wheat, milk, edible oil, and diesel. The highest weight 4 would be given to wheat, because out of these 4 items, wheat is the most important item, and lowest weight 1 would be given to diesel. We can still survive without diesel, but we cannot survive without wheat. That is why wheat has been given weight of highest weight of 4, and diesel the lowest weight 1. So here we have 4 weights: 1, 2, 3, 4. Why? Because we have 4 items. Had there been 5 items, the highest weight would have been 5. Am I clear? Have you understood this, guys? I'm asking those who are online. I hope you all are
Yes,
with
sir.
me.
Yes, sir.
Good. There are two sub methods which use weight for construction of an index. The first one is weighted average of price relatives. Today only, guys, we have seen simple average of price relatives where we did not use any weight, we did not use any quantity or any weight or importance of these 5 items. Now we will consider that also under weighted average of price relatives. So in this method, price of every item is compared individually. Now you will understand this method with an example, but first you note down this much, guys, everyone.
Yes, sir.
So guys, here we have been given quantities of these four items, and these are the weights, right? So you all guys first note down this much. Relative, that is P1 upon P0 into 100, and here we will multiply price relative with respective weight. So here guys, for the first item wheat, price relative would be 40 divided by 25 into 100, that is 160. Then 60 divided by 35 into 100, that is 171.42. Then 180 divided by 90 into 100, that is 200. And 95 divided by 70 into 100 is 135.71. Now each of these price relatives would be multiplied with their respective weights. So 160 into 40 is equal to 6400. 171.42 into 60. The 60, the weight I have taken from here, that is 10 to 85.2. Then 200 multiplied with 90, sorry, with 10, that is 2000. And 135.71 multiplied with 15, that is 2035.65. Now to calculate index, we take sum total of all the weights. And sum total of weights is 125. And here we take sum total of product of price relative and weight. $171.42 into 60. 10 to 85. Okay, it is 10 to 85. This is 10 to 85, guys, not 20 to 85. The total here is 2720.85. So index of 2023 is sum total of product of price relative and weight divided by sum total of weights. That is 2720.85 divided by 125. That is 165.76. It means prices in the year 2023 have risen by 65.76%. Have you got this? Have you understood this, guys, all? How to use weighted average of price relatives? I'm asking, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yash, Aryan, Manvi, Himanshi, have you understood this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then note down this, guys. I hope you all have noted down the question, right?